Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Micron grinding plate. This is a great tool for removing like thin buildup coatings, glues, paints, mastics, etc. It's really, really good. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern, very, very, very fine. Also, really good for hard concrete. If the creams is extremely hard and no pads opening it, this is going to do it. The matrix, the alloy is extremely soft. It has a very heavy concentration of a finer diamond, so you have a lot of diamond points touching off against the floor. It makes removal fast. It has a really good wear rate. Like cost per square foot, you're looking max probably 2 cents. For more information, message me now.
Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have premium single button 40 grit medium bonds with a tapered edge. Great for machines like Lavina's, Edco's, or whomever has drive plates to accept that style of diamond. Now, this is considered a premium. We're not just throwing that word out there because it holds literally a 30% higher concentration of diamond. So you have not more 30% more diamond points touching off on the floor. And these diamond points, they're not just a standard synthetic diamond, they're a high grade. So they last in the cavity longer before rolling out and falling out. So you get a great wear rate, a really, really good scratch profile. So you want to transition to polishing, you can. The diamonds won't become sacrificial, the finer ones being used. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the NewGrind Rhino magnetic adapters. Now, this is so you're not married to a proprietary system. You can create, your toolbox. If you do it this way, if you find a vendor for diamond tooling that you're seeing, you're going to be saving 20% less than what you're currently paying. End of year, it's a lot of savings. Instead of having 3 diamonds per drive plate, you could put 2, have more point pressure, less surface area, making your machine more efficient than it is. So for more information, just message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch, 125 millimeter Cyclone concrete wheel. This is a great tool for removing light buildup coatings, from adhesives to paints, any other type of soft coating. It's really good at removing it. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern. This is going to leave a very fine profile to the surface. So if you want to polish up, you could not have your resins or hybrids become sacrificial. This is also very good for hard concrete. It's a very soft matrix, which is good for exposing the teeth. But for hard concrete, if the latency is very tight, it opens it up very fast. Has a great wear rate, can be used on high speeds. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Rhombus Double 25 grit Softbound grinding plate. It's a great tool for doing heavy stock removal. If you want to prep your surface for a metallic coating, some sort of epoxy coating, it's a great tool. It has a phenomenal life. It's 30% larger than those 40 by 10 by 10 millimeter rectangle segments. It holds a higher concentration of near 30% of diamond. So if you look in between the micron, the grains, you'll see that they're closer to each other and there's a lot more of them. So that means they're going to grind faster. They're going to last longer. They work wet and or dry. They work on heavy machines or light machines. They'll make your machine way more efficient than it is. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76 millimeter Buffalo polishing pad. Now, this is the 200 and 400 grit. We have plenty of stock. They work wet or dry. They have a great life. And it's their clarity, their DOI, extremely high. So the gloss level is extremely high. There's no transfer, no haze. You get to try to take a razor blade, and there'll be no transfer. They work on heavy machines, light machines. They've been in the industry for north of 10 years, way longer than that, actually. They've been on millions of square feet of polished concrete. You've probably used them in the past. If you see the familiarity, you've probably used them by the name Stallion, Mustangs. For more information, message me now.